ask is what was happening during this period that inspired so many of these buildings to take on such different forms. So let's start with Greek Revival. So many of London's iconic buildings come from this time period, and today we're going to focus particularly on the British Museum. The Greek Revival was a form of architecture that began slowly in 1750, but increased in popularity particularly between 1820 and 1830. When looking at these buildings, you might have assumed that they're a direct result of some kind of colonial history with Greek, just like many of the artefacts within the British Museum. But Greece was a relatively uncharted territory for the Brits, being under Ottoman rule. It seems to be more of a product of a period where there was an obsession in many Western European countries with Greece. The revival of Greek architecture was popular in countries like the UK, Germany, and US. What we're seeing is buildings cropping up at a time where all three of these countries are very much embracing the idea of classical liberalism, which is a branch of liberalism that advocates the free market, civil liberties, individual autonomy, and economic and political freedom.